Hi there, and thank you for tuning in to Victory 101. I'm Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can change a car battery all by yourself. Let's get to it.
The tools needed for this project will be an adjustable wrench and a socket wrench, along with a new car battery. In this video, we'll be showing you the top post and the side post. First things first, we need to buy a battery, and luckily, Victory Auto Wreckers sells those.
The total cost of the battery is $20 plus a core charge plus tax, which comes out to $32.51, making the core charge roughly around $10.
Once you have your battery, you are now ready to start changing the old one. Step 1, you'll want to turn the ignition to off. Step 2, simply find the hood release lever and release the hood. Once the hood is released, you will now be able to open the hood, and on most cars you will find a little latch on the inside. For this truck, the latch is right in the front of the grill, and you simply just push up on the latch and you will be able to push that up and then pull the hood upwards. Once you open the hood and locate the battery, you will now loosen all of the hardware that is keeping the battery in place. First things first, we're going to get the top part for this lever here, and next we will remove the nut that is holding the negative wires and then the positive wires. Once you have loosened the hardware, you can now remove the old battery. Next, simply place the new battery right where the old battery was. And once you have placed that in, you simply now attach the wires. Like I said before, you go positive negative when you're adding the battery. And there you have it. You now have a new battery in your car. Now let's show the side post. You're going to repeat all the steps that we just showed. Please note the major difference between a top post and a side post is exactly what it sounds like. The position in which you actually attach the wires to the battery is that in a top post, those notches are on top of the battery, and in a side post, they are on the side.
There you have it. You have now mastered the art of changing a car battery all by yourself.
Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and as a matter of fact, comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Victory Auto Wreckers and tap that notification bell so you can stay in tune with all of the new content we will be posting. If you are in the Chicagoland area, do not hesitate to come on down to our one and only location in Bensonville, located right near Chicago O'Hare Airport. Also, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms as we post new content regularly to make sure you guys stay in touch with all of the new stuff Victory Auto Wreckers is doing.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Victory 101, and we will see you guys in the next episode.